Hi, I'm Trina Petrish.
And I'm Dave Petrish. Together we own and operate Citywide of Southern Arizona. Citywide has more than 55 years of experience providing building maintenance solutions for commercial facilities. At Citywide, our goal is simple: to be your one-stop shop for all your janitorial and building service needs.
We want to eliminate the time-consuming aspects of managing multiple service providers for your facility and let you get back to doing what you do best. We are dedicated to making a difference in the lives of our clients by taking away the headaches they struggle with daily, and that is reflected by our established client relationships and high retention rate.
We provide a complete range of facilities management solutions designed to meet your precise needs. No matter how many or how few services you require, Citywide will take the hassle out of the equation.
We promise you will see the difference when you choose a relationship with Citywide.
Citywide is your locally owned building maintenance solution. We clean over 100 million square feet per day, which translates into more than 20,000 hours of maintenance and janitorial services every night. Citywide manages building maintenance services for more than 4,000 facilities nationwide. Our average client relationship lasts at least 8 years, and our average client retention rate is greater than 90%. Janitorial services is our specialty, but we can help with anything from lawn and landscaping to handyman services to parking lot sweeping and striping, and so much more. On average, we provide 4.6 services per client. Fewer vendors means fewer salespeople and fewer invoices. And more time to focus on what you do best. Our mission is to provide world-class building maintenance solutions that save time and solve problems. And we've been doing that since 1961. With more than 50 years in business, we have the experience you can count on. We are Citywide Maintenance, and we are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Now is the time to add Citywide to your facilities management team.